So GoHighLevel just released an absolutely insane update for AskAI where it can actually control your computer and properly do work for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this set up for yourself before everybody else starts using it. So all you have to do is go into your GoHighLevel account, and then you want to come to AskAI. If you don't have it allowed and enabled on the sub account yet, make sure you do so first in your agency settings. Then you will want to come here to this page. It will also give you a little pop-up when you first open up AskAI and ask it anything, which is the lead connector AskAI. And then you want to add this extension to your Google Chrome. So it's important that you use Google Chrome for this. Now, once you have this, then go ahead and AskAI is the lead connector AskAI Chrome extension active. So just like that, I'm going to send this as a message, and if everything goes well, it should say that it is. So yeah, you can see it says yes, the AskAI extension is active and connected, ready to use. Here's what it can do on my behalf: control your computer, click, type, scroll, and interact with any page, navigate to URLs and manage tabs, read page content, extract text, debug, and even securely fill forms and handle credentials without exposing them. So if you come here to your extensions, you are also going to be able to see it here, and you can see it says connected for the status. Now, one really cool use case that I saw for this today from GHL Wizard, shout out to him, is actually having it basically like scrape Google Maps for you and find companies that have an outdated website that you could sell website services for or AI chatbot services for, as an example. But obviously the opportunities with this are absolutely endless, and it's going to add so much leverage to your workflow if you are running an AI agency or selling any sort of GHL related services. So what I'm going to do now is I actually use this plugin called Whisperflow. It's amazing because if you press function on your keyboard and hold it down while you speak, you can just dictate whatever you want to put in the prompting box. Go ahead and find 10 companies in London for me in the tire repair shop niche that have an outdated website that I could sell either a website build for or chat services. And just like that, you can see as I dictated it out, it actually put it here in the prompt box. And then I'm also going to say, actually, do this on Google Maps. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and actually send this. And let's see what it does. I'm not going to touch my computer unless it specifically asks me. So you can see the actual thinking process that the AI is going through on the right side. And basically the plan is navigate to Google Maps, search for tire repair shops London, go through the results, collect 10 businesses and check each for outdated websites. And now, just like that, it actually opened up that new, this is opened up, and this is not my mouse. So this is my mouse here on the right side. That blue one that you see there, that's AskAI doing the work for me. And this is kind of trippy. Like, you can see my hands, I'm not touching anything right now. And it's actually like going ahead, exiting that one, opening the next one, and trying to see which one has an outdated website that we could sell our services to. And then we could go even further and tell it to put those leads, find the availability of them, find their phone number, email address, put that into a pipeline, draft up a customized outreach message for each one of them, and then even send it out. So we can literally at this point pretty much automate our entire outreach process, which is usually the biggest bottleneck for growing any sort of business, right? Because it takes so much time. So obviously it's going to be interesting to see how the regulation comes in for this sort of stuff. But I mean, look, as long as you can use this, this is pretty insane. Like I could just tell it to do 100 of these, leave my computer for an hour, and then come back to the AI having gone through 100 different examples, and then already pre-qualifying for me which businesses would be the best to reach out to. So yeah, I mean, you can see it's clicking them, checking the website, and then, you know, checking whether they would be a good client for our service, then exiting it, going on to the next one. So this is, I mean, pretty insane if you ask me. So yeah, now I'm just going to wait for it to actually finish coming up with the 10 leads, and then let's see what we actually get from AskAI. And I'm just enjoying some sparkling water while AI is working for me. How cool is that? And what I want you to do, by the way, here is really get creative with this, because I could have told it more instructions. Right now it's just looking at the top results that I get, but I could also tell it, hey, find me tire repair shops that have a rating of 3 stars or below, and then put those into a list. And then I could actually reach out to those people and sell them reviews collection services, right, to boost their Google reviews. And you could do this for any niche, any kind of service. It's pretty insane. And if I come back here to GoHighLevel, you can see all of the listings that it's going through right now. Yeah, we can see just like that, it has finished it. So it says, now I have 10 listings connected. Let me visit each website and assess quality. And yeah, like it's giving me immediately like more and more information about this. So let's wait until this actually fully finishes. And by the way, in this tab, as you can see, I'm actually also seeing which websites it's loading at the moment, how it's kind of like looking through them. So yeah, and insane. Like, I know I keep saying this is insane and super cool, but I'm kind of at a loss for words because of how much money can be made with this feature. Yeah. And by the way, if you haven't signed up for GoHighLevel for whatever reason yet, go ahead and click that first link in the description down below where you can get a 30-day trial. You can see how insane this software is. And honestly, this is just absolutely the top of the iceberg. There is like so much more that GoHighLevel can do. Everything from, you know, building websites, being one of the most powerful CRMs in the whole world. And yeah, it has so many features. It's the all-in-one platform that you need as a business owner. And here we go. So I actually just stopped it here once it had 3 strong confirmed leads and told it to give me the ones that you got so far. And just like that, it gave me a list at this point of 10 companies it found just by me asking this. And it also put it in order of how hot the specific lead is. So you can see, for example, Tire Vibes, Big Boss Tires Ltd, and Auto Quick Fix. These ones are pretty much next door to each other, have 0 web presence, so it's a super easy pitch for them. And yeah, also Auto Quick Fix has a dead Google free site, so they are essentially invisible online. So I could just now go ahead, call up these and try to set appointments with them. Then we have some strong leads as well. For example, King of Tires has a live domain, but it's just black text on a white page, no branding, no images, no trust signals. So another easy client to close. And then the remaining 6 all have working websites, but none of them have a live chat widget, only WhatsApp buttons. So we could easily add them. You know, like AI chat, which you can also build out with GoHighLevel, or even build out a talking website for them where they can click a button and talk to an AI agent. So this feature is absolutely insane. This is just one use case of it. There is probably a million different things that you could do with this. So I hope you enjoyed it. You know, once you have actually finished what you are doing, feel free to also remove it from your Chrome if you want to have, you know, just complete peace of mind. And then after you want to use it again, then just add it again. It's just literally a click of a button. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Sign up for GoHighLevel in the description down below. You can get an extended 30-day free trial, and I will see you in the next video.